Welcome back to Vacation Living. Today we'll be speaking to you about St. Lucia. St. Lucia is the kind of place that feels like it belongs on the cover of a postcard. Dramatic volcanic peaks, lush rainforests, golden beaches, and a warm island spirit that will keep you coming back. Whether you're chasing adventure, looking for relaxation, or wanting to dive deep into local culture, this island has it all. Start with Sulphur Springs Park, the Caribbean's only drive-in volcano. You can actually drive right up to bubbling mud pools and steaming vents, and if you're feeling brave, take a rejuvenating mud bath that's said to work wonders for your skin. For hikers, the legendary Pitons Mountains are a must. Gros Pitons offers a challenging but rewarding climb with sweeping views over the coastline. Waterfall lovers will be in their element here. Take a dip under Toral Waterfall or explore Diamond Falls for its unique, mineral-rich colors. And don't miss a rainforest adventure. Whether it's a zip-lining thrill ride, an aerial tram, or a peaceful hike through lush greenery. Under the waves, Anse Chastanet and Sugar Beach are perfect snorkeling and diving spots, with coral gardens and an abundance of marine life. If you're here to unwind, St. Lucia's beaches are pure bliss. Redouet Beach offers soft sand and plenty of restaurants nearby, while Vigi Beach is more laid-back and perfect for quiet afternoons. Latac Beach and Sugar Beach are also stunning choices for those picture-perfect tropical moments. And of course, don't forget the famous Sulphur Springs mud baths. It's like a natural spa treatment right in the heart of a volcanic landscape. To really connect with St. Lucia, immerse yourself in its culture. If you visit in October, Junen Creole Day, is a lively celebration filled with music, traditional dancing, and authentic local dishes. For a taste of community spirit, head to the Anse Lorraine Fish Fry on Friday nights, where fresh-caught seafood is grilled right on the street alongside live Caribbean beats. The Castries Market is another must-visit. Browse handmade crafts, taste local cocoa tea, and pick up fresh island spices. And for a touch of history, explore Pigeon Island National Park, where you can hike up to Fort Rodney for panoramic views of the island. Dining in St. Lucia is an adventure in itself. From fine dining at Felicity Rooftop Restaurant to fresh seafood feasts at the Coal Pot, there's something for every palate. If you're a chocolate lover, you're in for a treat. St. Lucia is home to cacao plantations where you can join bean-to-bar chocolate tours. Enjoy a scenic drive to Marigot Bay, often called one of the most beautiful bays in the Caribbean. Or take to the water on a catamaran cruise to watch the Pitons glow in the sunset. Book in advance for popular tours, especially in peak season. Bring sturdy shoes for hikes and comfortable clothing for rainforest adventures. Protect your skin with reef-safe sunscreen. Whether you're here for the thrill of climbing a volcanic peak, the joy of snorkeling in turquoise waters, or the charm of island culture, St. Lucia is a destination that stays with you long after you leave. Thanks for joining us on Vacation Living. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss your next dream destination.